Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great day. This is the third Oku Ampofo Memorial Conference, and we're celebrating science, we're celebrating heritage, and we're celebrating innovation. And it's all inspired by the vision of one man who believed that African traditional knowledge could rub shoulders with modern medicine.
On behalf of the 24-hour economy and accelerated exports development program, I would like to warmly congratulate the center, and I'll just stick to center so I don't get confused in the names. On its 50th anniversary, I'd like to congratulate you on your 50th anniversary on behalf of our team. Over your 50-year lifespan, the center has made significant contributions to West African healthcare, the preservation and development of our region's indigenous knowledge, and the expansion of the frontiers of science. The center has been a source of pride for all interested in knowledge and in the pursuit of a self-reliant development. Dr. Oku Ampofo must be resting well in his grave. We at the 24-hour economy program are committed to building a science-based, self-reliant, productive, industrialized, and export-oriented economy that works around the clock for all its citizens. One of our key areas of focus under what we call our Make24 program, it's about manufacturing transformation, is the pharmaceutical industry. A large proportion of the medicines on the Ghana market, including herbal products, are imported. Indeed, Ghana spends over $500 million annually on pharmaceutical imports. Of this, we estimate that about 50 million, between 50 and 80 million, is spent importing herbal medicines, many of which we have the biophysical capacity to grow in Ghana. By contrast, we export only 10 million annually, at least through formal channels. What this means in real and practical terms is that we are exporting jobs. The global industry, the global herbal industry, has now passed over $100 billion a year in just its turnover. That means that there's a market for us. Ghana is actually well placed in relation to many of our neighbors, both in terms of the plants that we have, but also in terms of the extent to which we have understood these scientifically and are ready to project them. So think of what doubling or tripling or more of our finished herbal medicinal production would mean in terms of hair growing or gathering jobs, manufacturing jobs, commercial jobs, or related services. It's a huge impact for our development. The 24-hour strategy is the development of what we are calling the Legon Pharmaceutical Innovation Park. This park will bring together international and local scientific research and training capacity in a new center of excellence. It will conduct health and marketing research to inform the development of products for the Ghanaian, West African, and eventually global markets. It will develop products for which we have a natural or market advantage, including by establishing world-class clinical trial capacity, modern commercial manufacturing of generics and APIs that will result from the research carried out by institutions like the center. It will ensure that the intellectual property rights of our scientists is properly protected in the world markets. And it will ensure a decent income stream that allows you to continually expand your operations profitably. The Pharmaceutical Park project is moving forward through collaboration with the University of Ghana School of Pharmacy, the Center, and several local and international pharmaceutical research institutions. We have local and foreign commercial investors interested in investing in this park with a view to accessing the West Africa market. We will also reach out to the traditional herbalists who are very much part of our framework. The park project was inspired to a large extent by the example of the center and the obvious need to support and grow it. We at 24 Hours consider ourselves privileged to collaborate with and learn from the center. We are committed to helping you become a leading global center of excellence in herbal medicine. We are eager to work with you to expand your product range, strengthen your brand, and increase market access, creating employment, wealth, and knowledge in the process, the kind of virtual cycle that must characterize Ghana's future development. So we will collaborate with you on our Legon Pharmaceutical Industrial Innovation Project to enhance production capacity and develop clinical trials, as we have discussed with you. Working with the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, we will put the infrastructure for the park in place, including ancillary infrastructure for things like the snake farms and so on we've discussed. We will also mobilize affordable funding and technical support to assist in the development of new products. And as I said, we will work together to establish systems that protect the intellectual property rights of the center and of its scientists. These efforts, your efforts, will elevate the credibility, acceptance, and value of Ghana's plant-based medicinal industry to a new level. This is the President's vision for a 24-hour development of our country. As Ghana solidifies its position in scientific herbal medicine research and development, both domestically and internationally, the center's next 50 years will yield even more advancement for our country. Congratulations once again to all of you, and we look forward to that next half century.